How to fix Google Meet camera not working. 1. Allow access to the camera on your computer. 2. Grant camera access from browser settings. Enable sites can ask to use your camera at chrome/settings/content/camera. 3. Update your camera driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Check your internet bandwidth. 5. Check your antivirus setting, say block access to webcam for all applications. 6. Restart computer or browser. 7. Disable Media Foundation video capture in Chrome at chrome//flag/# enable Media Foundation video capture.